Do you know what's hiding beneath Antarctica's icy surface? It's the largest reservoir of fresh water on Earth, locked away in ice. But here's the alarming part, that ice is melting. Antarctica holds enough ice to raise sea levels by 200 feet. Imagine New York, London, and Sydney underwater. The West Antarctic ice sheet, resting below sea level, is melting at unprecedented rates. The Thwaites Glacier alone, nicknamed the Doomsday Glacier, could raise sea levels by 2 feet if it collapses. Scientists warn we may be nearing a tipping point, a chain reaction of melting ice, rising seas, and global chaos. And the clock is ticking. Antarctica isn't just a frozen wasteland. It's our planet's thermostat, and it's losing balance. What happens next depends on us. The choices we make today will shape tomorrow.